Okay, we're assembling the body today, and in preparation make sure that the leg, the lower leg, you have rounded it off a little bit and have the feet made before you actually connect it to the body. You can round off the wood with a tool like this, with your sharp knife, or with sandpaper, or with a sander if you have access to that. Other than that, you need your body parts, the thick wire, the thinner wire, some sandpaper, and your screw eyes. Now we start with the neck. Again, you round off the edges a little bit before you attach it. Make sure that there's small holes already at the ends of the neck dowel. And you use the larger of the screw eyes that are supplied. And a handy way of putting them in is by using your pliers. Okay. On the other end, you do the same, but it has to be slightly open hook. Opened. Now, and the next one is a hole in the middle. Again, use the hooks supplied. It's a little bit more tricky to attach. Okay. For the upper arms, again, you make little holes in the top and the bottom, like the neck. If you want, you can, again, smoothen the edges a little bit to make them more rounded. Put in your screw eyes. And the others. Fold your wire. Attach the upper arm, screw eye, push it through the holes, fold the edges out, an arm joint there. You could cut these excess off. And do the same on the other side. In order to make the knee joint work really well, it's best if you sand the little slits. Then get your strip of fabric. See if it fits. Add a little bit of super glue. Work very quickly to push the fabric in it, or the leather. You pull it down. It's okay if it's wider, that's actually easier to put it in, like that. Wait until it's dry. Then you see how long it needs to be. You need to have a little bit of extra space, so leave some space between the two parts. Cut it off. Do the same thing, and making sure that that's the back of the knee and that is the back of the knee. It's a bit tricky. Take your time. That's still a little bit too long. So the knee needs to be able to bend like that. So again, check. Again, make sure that the two knee part, back of the knee are together. When that's dry, you cut off the excess leather. You need the thicker wire. And it needs to be, just check it, that it goes in enough and about a fingertip length extra. You take the wire out again. That is the back of the knee, the slanted part. You put your wire back in through the hole and into the hole in the groin there. Put a little bit of super glue in that corner there, in that hole, and there. Quickly put your wire through the hole and in the other end. You get your hammer. You hammer it into place and you've got a working leg. You do that again on the other side. Here's one I made earlier. On the knee joints, you put in the tiniest screw eye because the string will be attached to that to move the legs. And in terms of the body stocking, put your stocking around the belly, glue it in place. And then you can fill the stocking with whatever amount of padding that you'd like, wherever you want it at the back. And when you're done, you can again glue this or sew this. And it is important that the neck area stays free. So I would recommend that you glue it here and here. Okay?